Lesson 1. Where are you from? Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Good. Do you speak English? A little. Are you American? Yes. Where are you from? I'm from California. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. How are you? How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Good. Do you speak English? Good. Do you speak English? A little. Are you American? A little. Are you American? Yes. Yes. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from California. I'm from California. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Hello. How are you? Good. Do you speak English? Yes. I'm from California. Nice to meet you too. Hi. I'm good. How are you? A little. Are you American? Where are you from? Nice to meet you.